So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting for the day on gold. You know, I told you guys, I did this analysis yesterday. I told you guys clearly that gold will give us a pullback, and then after it gives us the pullback, another drop is what we'll be expecting. If you have not watched the video, you can go back to the channel to watch it and really confirm what we did. Our prediction was that since this is the low, this will be seen as the lower high, and then here comes the lower low. Now that we've gotten this is the lower low, markets eventually push up like this to give a lower high, and now our next prediction on gold should drop to form a new lower low. That was our prediction. That is exactly what we were predicting on gold. That is what I told you guys that will most likely going to happen on gold. And guess what? Gold is now giving us that sell. It is now dropping, wanting to form a new lower low here. So this sell should continue to drop till it eventually form a new lower low, right? That was our prediction. So for the day, and guess what? Market gave us this bullish move. Now it is now selling. So this sell we will expect it to continue once the London section opens. We would expect it to continue to drop. So above all, our target is still this level, which is a level of 4284. That is still our target, right? So if you can hop in for the sale now and hold you, and you are willing to hold your trade till probably Thursday or Friday, we should most likely tap a level of 4284. So a sell, a bearish move is still what we're expecting on our gold. Gold is still bearish. If there will be any changes to this movement, I will make sure I let you guys to know. In order for you not to miss out on any updates, click on that subscribe button now.